On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to find your saved videos on YouTube app. Hello guys, so first thing you wanna do is open YouTube. As you can see right here, this is the home page as you can see. Now all what you wanna do here is just let's choose for example this video right here, and let's click stop, go right here, swipe and click on save to save it. Now let's find it. So all what you want to do is go down here to the library down here as you can see, and here you will find the history of your watches, and then go down here you will find this watch later option. All what you want to do is click on it like this, and right here as you can see you will find your saved videos. Very easy and simple. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the very end. See you later.